Today, in this video, we'll be going to Bird and Blend and the Vurger Co. I really can't wait for this. It's going to be amazing. We've heard so many wonderful things about both places, haven't we, Mum?
Well, that's right. And you've always been enjoying all of the teas that we've been ordering from Bird and Blend. Always saying you'd like to visit one of their shops and cafes.
If you haven't seen the video of us unboxing and taste testing some of the Bird and Blend teas, we'll link it up there. It was really tasty, wasn't it, Mum?
It's amazing. The only problem we're going to have is deciding which tea to have when we go into the shop. And then deciding what teas we might buy.
To take home.
That's right. Followed by a big decision on what burgers to have as well.
And sides.
And
probably a milkshake as well.
I think that'd be a great idea.
Come on.
Wait for me. Shall we go in then?
Yes, please.
Oh wow, the tea wall is absolutely incredible.
That was so good, isn't it? Have you even tasted ginger?
It's really lovely.
I love mine as
hot.
well. Very warm.
Do you want another sip in a few minutes?
Yes, please. I had the raspberry ripple ice cream, and that's amazing, isn't it?
It is. That tastes so lovely.
Is that mine?
Yes, please.
Oh my god. Thank you. They're both good, aren't they?
I think that's both so good.
There you go. Ah! This wasn't mine. So many would flavours good with this one. It's really big apple.
Thank you.
It tastes good too though.
They're both so lovely, aren't they?
They are. Should we fill it up?
That's a great idea.
I think packing it.
Definitely.
And maybe a couple of others go home too.
I think that's a good idea. great idea.
Our drinks. Wow, this one was so refreshing and really tasty. Here is the other one that was so tasty too.
Really good. Ooh, lovely cake. Ooh, the dippers. Lovely crispy. Amazing.
The vegan honey chicken burger tasted so delicious, along with everything else too. Here is the cookie dough milkshake. Oh my gosh, this tasted absolutely wonderful with the cookie dough pieces on top.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. Comments help a lot too. And we always love so much hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. In the comments this time, we'd love so much to know if you have been to any of the Bird and Blend shops or cafes. What did you have to drink? We did enjoy our drinks, didn't we, Mum?
They were so lovely.
They really, really were. And if you have ever been to the Vurger Co, what did you have to eat? Everything we had today was so delicious, wasn't it, Mum?
Really did enjoy everything. Definitely somewhere to go again.
Absolutely. definitely give it a mind for Manchester when we come back.
Definitely will.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.